Here I have XIAOMI 12S, and today I'm going to show you how to enter Fastboot mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to turn your device off by holding down power key, then slide power off, and after it turns off completely you have to hold down a combination of keys, power keys plus volume down at the same time for a couple of seconds like this, and hold it until like something pops up. And as you can see, after that we just end up in the Fastboot mode. These letters here saying Fastboot. So like, yeah. If you want to quit this mode, all you need to do is to just hold down power key for about 5 or 7 seconds, and after that your device will be restarted just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.